Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we will be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship. What is the present, what obstacles you're facing today, and what is the future of your circumstances. So Scorpios, I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way, you will get more clarity in your circumstances. Today, we will be picking one card for your oracle guidance. This will be the card. I will leave this card here. So, let's start with this card here, Scorpios. In your circumstances, Page of Swords. So, some kind of clarity is reaching you today. Maybe in your circumstances, you would have felt a little confused or lost over something. You want to find out about someone, or in your circumstances, you may be you are not aware of few things, maybe about this person. You may feel or you may have a certain view about this person, but in reality they are someone different from your views and ideas. And today maybe it may be your friend or someone coming with a news or some kind of an important information about them, because you have some doubts on this person and something is not matching up. So their actions and words and what you feel about them may be quite different, or something is contradictory. So you want to find out more, and for some of you, you are even thinking of finding out more about this person, spying on them. And your beliefs and the way you see things or the way you perceive your circumstances may be different. That may be the reason for some misunderstanding in your relationship. Some worries are there for you, and you need to understand that whatever is the reason, maybe you're happy or sad, it is not your own doing. There are a lot of things involved. So you must try to see things from a different perspective. And today you may feel that whatever good things are happening for you in your career or in your personal life, there are many people involved. You have your friends, you have your family members, you have this person. So you must be grateful towards the people who are kind and helpful towards you. And you must not feel overconfident about yourself. Though you are good, you may have a lot of good qualities, and you may be a very kind, compassionate person, loving person. But whatever good things are here for you, even sad moments, you should not take the blame all for yourself. You must understand that it is everything put together. You are a part of it, but there are also other things involved, people who are there in your life. So you must never forget their role in your situation. We have 7 of Cups and 4 of Wands. And you have a lot of dreams and plans for your future, Scorpios. Plans in your career or plans in this relationship, and whatever misunderstanding you have, lack of trust, or maybe lack of information about them, you want to find out more about this person, but looks like everything is changing. Situation is changing. This is a very positive card, Scorpio. So very soon there is a celebration coming for you. You are going to feel so happy, confident about something. Things will take shape and you will see good changes coming for you. Happy changes in your situation. And you should not give up hope, though you may feel a little worried about something. A lack of clarity may be there, or some misunderstanding may be there, but you need to understand that this situation is here for a reason, and it is here to give you a better insight into your situation. So we will see what are these cards. We have Seven of Pentacles. So this may be the time you are waiting for something. Maybe some good things are happening, but you are not sure about that. You are still waiting for the next answer, or the next situation, or an offer, maybe in your career, or if it is something to do with your personal life. You are thinking about the next step, what you must do and what you must plan, because you don't want to do something without clarity. So we will see the final cards for your situation. We have Death in reverse and Ace of Cups. So some changes are coming for you, Scorpios, and these changes are something beautiful, inevitable. You may feel a little worried, or you may feel a little sad about these changes, but changes are part of life, and these changes are the reason for something beautiful, some unbelievable circumstances waiting to unfold in your life. Things are going to take a beautiful turn for you guys. Today you may feel a little sad or stressed, but you need to understand that circumstances are shaping up. So we will see the final cards. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands in reverse. So we have 3 Ace in a reading. You need to understand that circumstances are good, and things are going to take a beautiful change or a turn. There may be some difficulties in your relationship. Maybe you need to work on both of your understanding. Maybe you need to understand this person more. You need more clarity, but that is coming. You may be a little worried, but things are going to shape up in a very beautiful way, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards for y'all. Let's see what is the oracle guidance. Flexible, such a beautiful and an apt card for your oracle guidance. So in every relationship, we must be open to new experiences and learning new things. So this is the time for you to let go of rigidity, and you don't have to be right always. You must try to have that attitude, guys. You must try for compromise. When you meet in the midway, it is going to be a beautiful day when this person makes some compromise for you and you make some compromise for them. And when both of you adjust to each other, being flexible with each other, things are going to take a beautiful turn. And maybe for some of you, you have met someone interesting, and you may have certain expectations about the person you wish to be with, but this person may not match up to your expectations, and you may feel that they are not right for you. But today you must give this relationship a chance, because this person may be the right person for you, the right partner for you. So circumstances are it will turn for the better if you are flexible. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.